welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you my homemade vending machine. It's really tiny. So here's a 360 look. So here's the instruction. So this Japanese words, I just translated it from Google Translate, so I don't know how to read these. It requires 20 cents. So if you want to insert a 50 cents, this is an old 50 cents, it doesn't fit. So if you want to insert the new 50 cents, it fits, but who wants to pay 50 cents for such a small little thing? So if you want to pay 10 cents, it rejects it. So if you use the old one, it also rejects it. So if you want to pay 5 cents, this is the old one. Oops. Here. So this is the new one. So it only accepts 20 cents. So this is the 20 cents. This one is the old one. It accepts it. It doesn't fall out. Oh no, this is so awkward. So it doesn't fall out no matter how hard you shake it, unless you shake it like if you use a new 20 cents, this is a new type and this is the old one. This is the new version one. If you fit it, I think most of the time it rejects it because it's really small and the old one is bigger, as you can see, and the size is almost like the 10-cent size, like the old 10 cents. So the instruction says
insert 20 cents, twist the knot 360 degrees, collect price.
So I will insert the 20 cents and then I twist it and I collect my price. Here. I got a little kitty, it's really cute. Let's add more like prices in there. So this is where I reload my price. I made this vending machine with instant soup box. So it's filled up. So I got a little bear. It's super duper cute and it looks like Rilakuma, but it's not. So this time I got a pea. So to collect the money, it's actually like you should collect it here, but I made the hole too like small so it doesn't work. So all I need to do is just open here, and then the tape below, and there. So here's all the money. So the mechanism goes like that. The twist part doesn't require money at all. You just need to spin it and then it will drop. It will drop there and then you collect the prize from the outside. So this is the secret of the rejected coins. So if you just insert a 20 cents, it'll just slide down this slope. So if you insert 10 cents, it will just drop into the hole. You will see it here. And of course, 10 cents is bigger than 5 cents, and obviously the 5 cents will also drop. So it drops there. Oh, it just flew there just now. So they'll be here. And probably you don't need to pay. You can just twist the knot and collect your prizes from this part. And yeah, that's all for my video. Bye! Remember to subscribe, like, and comment to my video. And make sure to ring the bell down below beside the subscribe button. Bye! Yep.